Hi, welcome to the introduction to Volume 3 of our Spach-Alspaugh house series. Now this volume can be watched as a standalone tutorial. We provide all the files for you, or you can watch it as part of the series as a whole. Now within this volume we're going to look at the animation and texturing of every element you see here within our environment. So we're going to look at texturing for trees, grasses and things like this. We're also going to look at creating some complicated paint effects with geometry replacement, which will allow you to create things like apple trees, complicated flowers, basically expand what paint effects is capable of on its own. Now by the end of this you'll have learned how to use the new Mila material in Maya 2016 to create textures for leaves, grass, bushes, trees, things like this. We'll also look into the animation process for all of this. So not only is this environment still, it's also animated. So if we pop open the animation here, this is the animation on our environment. So you can see our trees are moving, our grass is moving, and for the sake of expediency we've kept this fairly simple in the tutorial, a slightly windy day, but the techniques here can be used to create anything from a stiff breeze to a hurricane really, and you can get much more complicated environments out of it. So by the end of this, you'll have gone through the process of texturing an environment, you'll have gone through the process of animating an environment, caching that animation out so it can be easily rendered later on, and also creating much more complicated paint effects. Now I've used simple daisies here as an example to keep the modeling time down, but really using that technique you can create some quite marvelous paint effects, much more so than you could do with the standard out-of-the-box stuff from Maya. So I hope you join me for this one, and I will see you in the first part. Thanks for watching.